Greetings one and all, how's everybody doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Local Eats. Got my pizza fix. This place is Pizzeria Pulcinella. True Napoleon pizza, it says. I haven't even lifted the box to check it out yet. Oh man. Look at that. I may have to get the camera down, give you a good look at it. It smells phenomenal too. Look at that. So it's pepperoni, basil, mozzarella cheese, spicy olive oil, and it looks phenomenal. So let's get a piece off. I gotta get a piece of this. Man, oh, it's got fresh tomatoes too. It's got some flop. It's good undercarriage. Wood-fired pizza. Of course, I lost half my toppings pulling a piece off. Like the crust. Nice undercarriage. Let's try that again with some actual toppings this time. So it would seem that this pizza is not a car-friendly pizza. What's on here is pepperoni, tomato, ricotta, basil, and spicy olive oil. And that was what dripped off. What's ricotta? Real nice crust. Messy though. So I gotta say, I'm really enjoying this pizza, like a lot. This is really good. Never had ricotta cheese on pizza before, but it's really a big win. Except the toppings keep coming off. The spicy olive oil. It's not kicking at every bite, but it's definitely noticeable. You'll just be eating along, all of a sudden it's like, wow, it's hot. But it's not unbearably hot. At least to me. Man, they make a good pizza. Alrighty, so I got 2 slices left, but I'm gonna take them home with me. Take the rest home. I'll probably just eat it when I get home. Give the stomach a chance to settle. Really good pizza. Let's go to the menu, and we'll take a look at that, and we'll wrap things up. All right, here's the website. It says Vince's Restaurant, but Pizzeria Pulcinella. So let's just go right to their website. So we'll do pickup. Although I just want the menu. So Rainier Avenue South, so I guess it's technically Seattle, like right on the border between Seattle and Renton. So they got this is their popular items, but the one I got was the Vola. So we'll just scroll down. They have wines I didn't have. So they have salads, and this will all be linked, of course, below. They have they have meatballs and marinara. I didn't get the meatballs. Maybe sometime I'll have to do that. So you get romaine salad, in insalata rucola. I don't know if I should even bother trying to pronounce some of these. Just all tongue-tied today. So this is pastas and or salads is what it says. Yeah, salads and appetizers. Excuse me. And then they got house specialties: Italian sausage over bell peppers, cannoli de magro, polenta. Then you got your pizzas. You got your margarita, which I didn't get. Marinara, no cheese, but it's just marinara. I am kind of curious about a marinara pizza. But maybe sometime I'll get one, or I'll try a different place. And then the Davola is the one I got. Spicy olive oil, mozzarella, ricotta, pepperoni, tomatoes, and basil. Then they have several different kinds. I'll just link it so you guys can, if you want, you can go read it instead of listening to me butcher it. Oh man, jeez. They have desserts, which I didn't get any. Although cannoli makes me think of Goodfellas. I guess that's it. Just a quick, simple menu. Kind of a cool place too. It had you walk in, it was kind of an older building. It's got that unique, like old building smell that I really like. But yeah, good stuff. Well, alrighty, there we go. Really good stuff. Very much enjoyed. Anyway, the playlist for this series will be down in the description, and the end card will have it as well as the last video I shot. And as always, have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Tomorrow will be Cast Iron Wednesday, so if you're not subbed, please do so. And if you haven't already, just hit like the video, and we'll catch you next one. Appreciate you watching.